Hi folks, this evening we're going to be doing an open collab with the Moss Family TV. It's going to be a Christmas vintage recipe. The playlist will be on her channel and the channel will be linked below. Let's go get started. Today folks, what we're going to be making is a sugar plum cake. The ingredients are 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, 2 cups of self-rising flour, and some baby food. This here is prunes and apples mixed together. That's going to be for the plum part. And then here's cinnamon. We'll take the cinnamon and mix in with the flour, and then we'll combine it all together and put it in our pan. Let's get started. All right, first we're going to combine our cinnamon in with our flour. Combine that together, mix it up. Alrighty, that's mixed up. Now, we're going to pour our oil down in here. And we're going to combine our sugar. Alrighty, now we're going to get our eggs. Slowly pour them in. Alright, let that beat up there just a second. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to add our flour and cinnamon. Turn that off. I don't want to get in trouble when that blows all over the place. Now, pour this in. Okay. Set this back down there. Lock it up. Oh my goodness. About took off on us. Alrighty. Going to add in our apples and prunes. It calls for 6 ounces. This is a total of 8 ounces. So what I'm going to do, I'll just use half of this other. Now this is going to be a real moist cake. Alrighty. I'll turn this off just a second. This down in here, off the sides. I've already sprayed our pan, got the oven preheating to 350. And by the way folks, this recipe, we'll have it linked down below also, and let you try it. If you'll notice, you hear a lot of with me. Mix it real good, then we're going to transfer it over to our pan. Now we did not add the walnuts. The recipe says you can use walnuts. We did not add no walnuts into this recipe tonight. Alrighty, let's turn it off and we'll pour it into our pan. Alrighty. This is the first time we're using this mixing bowl. This was an early Christmas present for my wife. We got this the other day for her KitchenAid. There. I believe it was Walmart, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, what we'll do, we'll bake it for 35 to 45 minutes until a toothpick can go in it and come out clean. That's at 350 degrees.
And then cool.
And then let it cool for 10 minutes and then turn upside down on a wire rack to let it finish cooling. And then after that there, it's up to you. You can dust it with some powdered sugar or leave it like it is. We'll probably go ahead and dust ours just a little bit of powdered sugar. We'll see in just a little bit. Alright, it took 45 minutes in our oven. Now that varies. I've noticed our oven cooks a little bit slower. Now we're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar on it. It smells good. We'll let you know how it tastes here in just a little bit. And once again, folks, trust me, if I can do this, you know you can do it. And we would also like to thank Fallon at Moss Family TV for having this open collaboration. She has an awesome channel. Thank you for watching, folks. You all have a Merry Christmas.